Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make addas soup, which is also known as lentil soup. So I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients. First, you're going to need 2 cups of red lentils. Then you're going to need 1 large onion that's diced, 3 cubes of chicken flavor Maggi, and 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I'm also going to be using a little bit of cumin and a little bit of sazon, but those are optional. Now we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to be doing is rinsing out the lentils. You're going to rinse it out a few times until the water starts coming out clear, and then you're going to go ahead and drain it. After rinsing and draining the lentils, you're going to go ahead and heat up 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and then we're going to add the diced onions to it, and we're going to mix it until it's almost translucent. Like when it begins to become translucent, then we'll add the lentils, and I'll show you when it gets to that point. So this is how you want your onions to look like, and now we're going to go ahead and add the lentils, and we're going to mix them together for about a minute, and then we'll be adding the water, and I'll show you when we do that. After mixing it together for about a minute, you're going to go ahead and add 10 cups of hot water. After adding the water, you're just going to bring it to a boil, and then you're going to cover your pressure cooker. And first you're going to cook on high heat until it starts to whistle, and then you're going to go ahead and lower it to medium heat, and you're going to cook it for about 25 minutes. This is what it should look like after cooking for 25 minutes in the pressure cooker. I went ahead and turned off the heat, and now I'm going to go ahead and add 3 cubes of chicken flavor Maggi. And once you add your Maggi, you're just going to go ahead and bring it to a boil and boil together for another 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been boiling for 5 minutes now with the Maggi, and now I'm going to go ahead and add half a teaspoon of cumin. Now this is optional. I just like to add cumin, but you don't have to. And then I'm also going to be adding a pinch of sazon, which is also optional. And then you're just going to mix it together and boil together for another few minutes. This is what it would look like after mixing it for a few minutes, and now it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.